What's up guys, John the Pilot here with part 4 for the Verizon 5G Gateway. You just saw in part 3 how I turned in my Xfinity. I swear it's like Murphy's Law. Right after I did that, there was a pretty interesting glitch with the 5G Gateway. For whatever reason, about a week and a half ago, for 4 days straight, the internet would completely just cut out at around between 11:30 p.m. at night and about 12:30 in the morning, so midnight-ish. And what would happen was, you would see, actually, no, let's go to the gateway and I'll talk about it there. Okay, this is probably not gonna be the most flattering shot for me, but anyway, here's the gateway. So what happened was, about 7 days ago, 4 nights in a row before that, so a total of 11 days ago, we noticed the internet was going out at between 11:30 and 12:30 at night, so around midnight-ish. And what I mean by the internet going out is that the gateway itself, the white light would be on no problem. It's just when you would look into the network, and you know when you're on your iPhone and it says connected to your wireless network, but there's no internet connection? That's what was going on. I got on the horn with Verizon via the chat. They ended up doing some things behind the scenes, and it happened every single night at the same time. So in my area, I uncovered a glitch that was in the network. And since then, everything's been working fine. I was real worried like, we got rid of Xfinity and now I don't have reliable internet. But everything's been holding pretty steady now for 7 days. So if you have any issues, try to get on the horn with Verizon chat, and I'm sure they'll do something to help you out. So a lot of people ask questions about the bill, so let's get into that. Okay, so this is the Verizon bill. We're paying $331.35 a month to include the 5G gateway, 4 phones, an iPad, iWatch, and a couple other things. I can't remember exactly what, but my point is I was paying $270 a month for that Xfinity bill, which had home internet, had home security, and it also had basic cable, nothing fancy, and it was $270 a month. That's gone now. So $331.85. Here is the Verizon Internet Gateway ARC. $25 a month since we have Verizon already. We're doing the auto bill pay, and that's it. There are 0 surcharges, as you can see. 0 surcharges. Wow. So, and it's been working really reliably even after that glitch. So right now I have no complaints. I also wanted to show some other stipulations that are on the contract. So we're going into my Verizon 5G Home Store app, and you can go in and manage your plan. And I just wanted to say, I went into plan features, and I wanted to point this out to everybody. Basically, it's powered by the Ultra, whatever. It says download speeds 85 to 300 megs. Peace of mind. You've got 10-year price guarantee now. 10-year price guarantee. And the other thing is there is no surcharges or anything. So 5G ultra wideband, 300 megs a second, 85, I'm well above that. 10-year price guarantee, and all plans include no data caps or extra fees, no annual contracts. It's all month to month. I don't know where else you're gonna find that right now. I'm sure T-Mobile, all the other places will probably compete with that, but Verizon's in my neighborhood and I got Verizon, so I'm pretty happy with that. Something to check out. So this next part is for all the gamers out there that kept asking about pinging, which I got no problem showing. I had to figure out how to test it, so I took a whirl at it. Here it goes. All right, we're doing some ping tests. Forgive me, I'm not 100% sure on how to do I'm not a gaming channel, but I know a lot of guys have some pretty sweet software. But this is the first ping test from my MacBook Pro. It is all Wi-Fi direct to the gateway. There's the download of 285, upload 1824, and pings look like 36. I don't know if that's good or bad. I'll do another one for you guys. Oof, this one's kind of horrible. Oh, there we go. Let's pick it up. Yeah, we're generally over 200, which is pretty good. Sometimes it pops above 300. 291.34. Upload speeds are pretty decent. Pings, I guess that's that yellow thing. There's 38. Oh, there's the results. 291.34, 1804, and 38 on the pings. One more time for good measure. Wow, that's a good one. See, almost 350. I don't know why that changes so much. It changes, I don't know. I guess it's going to Boca Raton. There you go, there's some results for you guys, so I hope that helps. Like between 30 and 40 is some pings. I don't know if that's good or bad. All right, well that sums up part 4 of the Verizon 5G Gateway. If you guys like this video, please like it, throw some comments down below. I love the questions that you're asking. It helps me bring more content for you. If you haven't seen, here's going to be the playlist. And on this side is the very first video of the actual, right here is the very first video that you should see. Well, anyway, thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. I look forward to seeing you soon. Otherwise, John the Pilot, say see ya.
See ya.
All right, ready? John the Pilot.
See ya.